Dear parents, in this session, I would like to take you through the process of attending online classes using GMeet. The process is very simple. For this, we need Gmail account for every student. So we have already created individual IDs to each students, and we are going to share them before we actually start using Google Meet. To start with the process, our teachers have already done back-end work where they have created classrooms and added the students, and they've already sent invite links to the students. So I'm going to show you how we are going to join the class by accepting those links. So the first thing is we just go to a Gmail account as we normally do. Here you just log in using the ID and password that you have given. I'm going to take a sample email ID to log in. So once after giving your ID and password, you're going to have the home page of Gmail. So here, if you can see, I've already got some invitations from one of the Gmail IDs, and the subject reads class invitation grade 1 and subject. So the first step is students have to join the class by accepting these links. It can be done in two ways. The first step is just click on the mail. Here you have the mail description and the button with the title join. You can just click the button and join, or otherwise you can simply go to this Google Apps option, scroll down, and you have an option classroom. So just click that classroom option. So it's asking if it's the same email ID you want to log in. So just continue. Select I'm a student. Now this is the dashboard of my login. I can see the subjects and the invitations that I've received from each subject teacher. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to each subject and click join. So I've joined grade 1 EVS. Now just click this menu, go to classes, and then click join. So now I'm going to join mathematics class. Again, I'm going to the main menu, clicking classes, clicking join. So I'm going to join Hindi class now. The same process, and now I'm joining English. So when I go to menu and check the list, so I've enrolled into all these classes. You can check the list here: grade 1 EVS, grade 1 maths, Hindi, and so the process is same, whether it is preschool, primary, or high school. We'll now see how to join a class using GMeet. So I'm there in the Google Classroom dashboard now. Suppose if I have a class at 9 o'clock, mathematics class. So I just click on mathematics. Here I have an option classwork. Just click on that. Here I see the Meet icon. So I just need to click on Meet icon. So when I click Meet icon, it's going to take me to the GMeet screen. And in the GMeet screen, you'll find two buttons. So as you can see, join now and present. As I want to join a class as a student, I'm going to click join now. So when I click join now, the teacher is going to accept your invitation and you're going to join the class. So this is what the process we follow to attend online class using GMeet. You can attend your online classes through Gmeet using your mobile also. Let me show you the process. For that, you need to keep two things in your mind. The first thing is ensure that you have logged into your Gmail account using your student's email ID. And the second thing is you have to download two apps. One is Google Classroom and the another one is Gmeet. You can see them on the screen. So in order to attend the class, first I'm going to click on Classroom. So when I click on Classroom, I'm going to get the dashboard. So these are the list of subjects of my particular class. Suppose I have a class, mathematics class at 9:30. So at 9:30, I open Google Classroom, click on mathematics. On right side top corner, you can see a video icon. That is an icon of Gmeet. So just click on that icon. So when I click on that icon, it's going to take me to the Gmeet screen. So here I have join meeting and present. So here again, I'm going to click on join meeting. So when I click on join meeting, I'm going to join the class of that particular subject.